welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing the YHE BP Dr. Pro smartwatch. This is unlike any other smartwatch you've ever seen. Why? It focuses on BP, standing for blood pressure. Besides all the standard heart rate and blood oxygen level and walking and running, steps, counting, all that good stuff, it also does blood pressure, and it has something no other smartwatch has. It has an inflatable air cuff that is built into the wristband. So when you take your blood pressure reading, you will see this cuff inflates in order to get the right fit around your wrist to properly take your blood pressure. So that's what this is really about. Now, it does offer a lot of other standard smartwatch features, and I'm going to show you some of those in a minute. But the main reason you would consider this watch over another watch is that blood pressure monitoring. If you're someone who needs to be able to monitor your blood pressure on a regular basis throughout the day, then this allows you to do that. Now, in my usage of it, the top number tended to be consistent. It was always a little bit off versus a regular arm cuff, because the arm cuff, you know, that's just Old Faithful in a lot of ways. So when you get this, you probably want to compare it to your regular one and sort of establish the baseline for what this reads, because this is doing something crazy. You know, it's reading your blood pressure from your wrist, which is awesome, but also new technology. So you want to kind of compare it to that. The lower number, bottom number on my blood pressure, that one had a slightly higher range. So again, you just need to compare it with your regular blood pressure machine in the beginning to establish your baseline. And then using this, it'll help you monitor your blood pressure every day throughout the day. It even has a reminder to remind you to take your blood pressure more often, and it can do heart rate and blood oxygen level on its own throughout the day, every day, which is really great. And it also has sleep monitoring and all those kind of things. So let's jump over to video, where I'm going to go inside the watch and let you see exactly all the features that the watch has. Okay, so I want to show you real quick how you take your blood pressure with the BP Dr. Pro. First, you have to make sure that this is as tight as it's supposed to be. They give you the little guide in the box so you can find out which hole is the right hole. And generally, you're going to want it's going to be 1 or 2 notches tighter than what you would normally wear your watch. So I normally wear my watch about there, but I have to tighten it 2 notches in order for blood pressure. And they have the guide that you put on your wrist that tells you which notch to use, so you'll know. Now that I have that, I can swipe to go to it, or I can just long press the home button. If you long press the home button, you can see it goes right into it, and it immediately starts taking your blood pressure. It does let you know you need to have your arm at about the same height as your heart, which I do right now, although I'm probably not in the ideal position to take my blood pressure, but I'm doing this for you guys, so I'm sitting in a slightly weird position. So it might read a little bit higher than it normally would, but there you go. It's actually a very good reading. That is generally what my blood pressure is on a normal basis. 119, around that, 119-ish, and 76 maybe a little bit higher than normal, but that's about right. So you can see, you just press that button, it takes your blood pressure, and you're good to go. Okay, so I just want to take a deep dive into the watch, show you all it has. This is the main watch face. You can choose different faces. The time is military time only at this point, but they're going to update that later on. This particular watch face, I've got the battery level and my steps. If you swipe left, you've got your totals for the day. You've got how far you've walked, calories you've burned, and steps. You can also see your battery percentage and the time. And there's nothing else left, but if you swipe right, this is where you get your health stuff. This is the blood pressure monitor. This is your heart rate. That'll show you your heart rate. You've got your blood oxygen level, and I'm going to tap that, and we'll take that right now. See if I can get a reading on that. My arm is in a very weird position for reviewing this, so hopefully it'll work. 98%. Usually my blood oxygen level is pretty good. And you can go back. If you hit the back button on any of those screens, it takes you to the full health layout. Again, same thing, blood pressure, oxygen level, heart rate, and then workout. Let's go into workout. Just so you can see, has 3 workouts built in right now: outdoor walking, indoor running, so if you're on a machine, or outdoor running. There is no GPS built into this. It uses an algorithm. I will have to say that the algorithm used for outdoor walking distance is better than any watch I've ever used before. It was very, very precise as far as distance goes. compared to my spouse's Apple Watch that uses GPS. So I knew exactly how far I'd gone, and this was like dead on. So I was very impressed with that. If you hit this main button down here, this always takes you home, so that's back to the home screen. I'm going to swipe down, and you see you've got your different brightness levels. It does not have auto brightness, so you have to set the brightness yourself. Low, high, if you're out in bright light. I tend to leave it on medium, is good for me. And then you've got Bluetooth that you can turn on or off. That's because this stays connected to your phone to transmit data to your phone. You've got vibrate to turn any sounds off. You've got settings. We'll go into that in a minute. You have your battery level. Let's go back there. Or power saving mode is what that is, not battery level. So you can put it in a power saving mode. It'll turn some functions off. Alarm, that turns the alarm on and off. And then night mode, which puts it down, and basically so it won't bother you at night while you're sleeping. And then if you go to settings, you can see you've got your display, screen timeout, brightness, always on, raise to wake, all that good stuff. You've got alert, so apnea alert, that'll, if it detects while you're sleeping, snoring or something, then it will alert you. Or move it, that's a reminder to get up and move if you've been sedentary for too long. About, you can choose your language, you can choose the units, and you can reset the watch. So those are your settings that you have in there. And then going back to this screen, you can scroll up and you can see you can get other things. So alarm, calories. So if you go to calories, you'll see calories that you've burned for the day. You can scroll up and see more information. If you go to alarm, you can add an alarm. So you can set up alarms on here. Sleep, that'll show you your sleep data. There's nothing for today because I forgot to wear it last night, but I will show you that in a minute. Weather, you can see your current weather. And then HRV, again, this shows you, I didn't wear it last night, so if it only shows you the day on here, but you can see history on the phone, and so I'll show you that. And then settings just takes you back into settings. And now if you go back home, the way you got to that was scrolling up scrolling up is going to notifications. So if you have notifications turned on, you can scroll up and you'll see your notifications. Scroll up and you can see different notifications. I have notifications for Messenger, Facebook Messenger, as well as text message. So you can say I've gotten messages on both of those, and you can see that there. And those are pretty much the things that you can do directly on the watch. So here you are inside the app. Today Health shows you all the things that you've taken today. But you can go into each one of these to see history information. So like, for example, sleep. There's no info because I didn't wear it last night, but I wore it on the 13th. So you can see exactly deep sleep and regular sleep and wake time. And you can see percentages as far as how good it was and all that kind of stuff. All that information is there for you. And it's that way for everything. Calories burned, steps. You can go into any one of these and you can look at week or year, or go to a specific date that there's a record and review that record, which is great. You also have your HRV, which is an interesting factor. This is why you sleep. It's the interval between your heart beating, and it just kind of gives a good overall health indicator. And so this is heart health index is what it shows. So that's that. You also have your blood oxygen level, and then of course your blood pressure, which is the main reason to use this watch. And again, you can go to week, and then you can also go to any specific day that you've taken your heart, your blood pressure, and you can see records and averages over time and that kind of stuff. So all that information is contained here inside the app. You also have a way to set up a calendar plan, schedule alarms and things like that. And then you can also set up your profile, your goals. You can change your dial, things like that. And you can add family members to share information with family members as well. So that's all the things that are there, all the information and how it's collected in the app for you. So you can see, feature-rich watch has all the basic things that you would expect in a smartwatch. But again, the main reason you would consider this is if you are needing to constantly monitor your blood pressure. And you can see it does do that when you start the blood pressure monitoring, which you can either swipe over to the screen or just long press that big home button. Then it takes you straight into reading your blood pressure. And it only takes a minute. The little air cuff inflates to get the right pressure around your wrist in order to get the best reading possible of your blood pressure based on your wrist. So that's what the BP Pro watch is really all about, is having a smart watch that you can use for time and you can use for fitness, and you can get notifications from your phone for messages and phone calls and things like that. But also, you have an air cuff inflator blood pressure measuring device on your wrist with you all the time. And that is what makes this smartwatch different than any other smartwatch on the market. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.